Florence, she no dey tire at all. She is fearless. Florence, oh, there to a woman, Janja. Florence, on a Florence, Florence, take it easy, Florence. Everybody they pray for things to better for their life, but in your own case, Florence, now which kind prayer you the pray? Your stubbornness is too much, well, look at them why you want you. Well, look at them why you Florence, Florence, she not the theater. She is fearless. Florence, oh, there to a woman, Janja. Florence, Florence, take it easy.
Mama, your pikin don't show. Have fun, huh? What is this up? Eh?
Nene, your pikin don't show. Agaba, Agunwai, Odogu, your pikin don't show. For your mind now, you are making me a proud mother. Okay?
Mama, what's in this up now? You supposed to be proud of me now. Eh? I am living my father's legacy. You're supposed to be proud of me. You're supposed to welcome me, they support me. Eh? Make I help you. Hey. Mama, I make plenty money, oh. For this to come on a business, what they do. I carry money come, oh. Oh, wow.
The sorrow is too much. The pains are too much. Onokadodi kombaramnisi. Onokadodi kombaramnejije. Ondi kamusere bonza. Ondi kamusere. It's madness. Madness. I mean it's madness. My mind is off my body. Off my body. I am in pain. I am in sorrow. I am in pain. I am in pain, I am in sorrow. The trouble is too much on me. Somebody.
Where's the chef?
She's in the kitchen, Your Majesty.
And why is the breakfast not served?
We were waiting for you to come down.
And my wife?
We've not seen your wife since morning. Her maid has been knocking on her door and she's nowhere to be found. We searched everywhere in this palace, like all the rooms. We didn't see her, so we thought she's in your room.
What? She is not in my room.
Nobody have left the palace since morning. We have searched everywhere, all the rooms in this palace. She's nowhere to be found.
Summon the maids and the guards immediately.
Immediately.
She's not in my room. You all stand firm before me and tell me you do not know the whereabouts of my queen. The queen of this land. And you were supposed to be the personal maid to my queen. Explain to me where the queen is. Why the queen is missing and why you are still breathing.
I have not seen her since morning, I swear. I woke up very early and stood by her door to wait for her. But she didn't come out as I thought.
As you thought! As you thought! Are you tired of living? Are you tired of living?
Your Majesty, I never left my post since morning. I was standing guard at the gate all morning, and I am sure there have been no moving in or stepping out of any kind since today.
Can you hear yourself? Can you hear yourself speak? Does it mean that my palace is unsafe to the point that my queen left this palace without your notice? Under my nose? Now you all listen. Listen! I want you all to find the queen or I chop off your heads and present them to your families. What are you waiting for? Run! Find the queen!
Hey, if you move, you go collect no one. Where you wrong go? Eh? I never catch you.
Why they behave like this? What is wrong with you? Eh? I bet leave me. Why will I be running away from you? Because I forgot something in my house. I just turned to go and take it. And you grab me like, let me tell you, that you are shooting Bonala at the burial. It doesn't mean that you are the best. It's not a big deal. Leave me, let me go and take something.
You run your mouth like that. Ma clear, you're not the ordinary gun woman. If you do anyhow, you go collect. See, this man they provoke. Man, normal, I suppose you can flog you because if I blow you, you feel pay me. You understand? Did they feel me?
I beg, leave me like make I go.
Excuse you, Oga. Ordinary gun woman. If they give you the work, you don't go feed one. You don't go feed one. See, make I tell you, every penny where you owe for them, you go pay them. Every single thing.
Choma, are you the one talking this rubbish? So, Floris, okay, what are you going to do? Shoot me now? You shoot me.
Okay, you go collect if you don't give me my money. You go give me the money now. Get my money. You go give me, you don't go give me. I be my rofando you for here now. Where my money?
Floris. Okay, let me ask you. How much am I owing you?
50,000 naira.
Ah! 50 what? We agreed on 30,000, you said 50,000. So where did 20,000 come in? I beg, stop that thing.
Okay, if you borrow money from person, then they put interest. 10,000 naira for interest. The remaining 10,000 are for wasting my time, for delaying before paying, for suffering me. Oga, now 50K you go pay.
Now 30 I dey owe you, and that is what we agreed. And that's what I'll pay you when I'm ready.
Okay, when you're ready. Okay, no one pay the money now. Wait.
I will pay. Come now.
You go pay.
Pay now, pay.
Collect the account number, sharp. I'll confirm now. Collect my bank account, UBA. Yeah, okay. Yeah, I follow you today. Eh?
Sorry.
Man, not you. Sorry. I didn't work this one. No,
For their life, but in your own case, Florence, now which kind pray are you the prayer? Your stubbornness is too much, Florence, she not the theater. She is fearless. Florence, oh, there to a woman, Janja. Florence, Florence, take it easy. Florence, life would be sweet, Florence. Table don't turn around, Florence. Okalanya piago, Florence, Rivergo, Onyemanoge. Forget troubles, Florence, Inugo. Forget wahala, face your life, Florence. Troubles can only bring you down. The simple one can only give you downfall.
Hey, look at him! Why am I running? Hey! What are you doing here? I came into the city now to hustle.
Are you serious?
Yes. What? Brother, you know I didn't know anybody in the city now, so when I came in, the outside guy that accommodated me, I know and I hug Ali.
Outside guy?
Yes, one outside guy. The guy is a very good guy.
I came here to see my friend. This city studio. This city. Yes, nice place.
Nah, you did. Go.
Carry.
Oh, man.
Sima! How is everybody in the village now?
Everybody, you know.
Carry this thing on your head, say that one. Not that here, they are selling.
I'm an idiot.
So, Your Majesty, after going through history and the map, it was discovered that the land originally belonged to the people of Umuaka village. And it was earned by the people of Amanze as a result of their good deeds.
Yes. Since this land was given to us as a token of appreciation, why is this generation suddenly interested in it? The document said it all, that the land belongs to us.
In all this, do we have proofs, Your Majesty?
Proof. Which other proof do you want to see? Didn't you hear when no? Which other proof do you want?
Your Majesty, we want to send delegates to the people of Umuaka so they can speak with their elders and find a way forward. Your Majesty.
Your Majesty.
Igwe. Brother.
Wait. Did you find her? Did you find her? Huh?
Find who?
Where did you keep her?
Keep who, Your Majesty?
If you don't start talking right now, I'm going to hit you with this dust.
Your Majesty.
Your Majesty.
Igwe, calm down.
Calm down, Your Majesty. Is everything alright?
Maybe he was dreaming before he woke
Yes,
up.
You
were dreaming? You will come down.
I'm fine.
Yeah.
I'm fine now. Please, let us continue with our meeting. What did the archives results say?
Your Majesty, we have been reading through the document and we've also been discussing with the people of Umuaka village on how to settle this dispute.
I see. And what exactly did the paper say?
We will have to go over this some other time.
My elders, I am really sorry for giving out in the middle of this meeting. I think this meeting will be rescheduled for next time.
Your Majesty. We are your elders. If there's anything bothering you, tell us now. Because to good head, one now. Tell us.
That's correct, Your Majesty. Just tell us, what is the problem? For anything that bothers you, affects the whole kingdom.
Everybody.
I am sorry about that. And once more, I am happy and grateful for your concerns. But the queen is missing.
What? Queen is missing.
Your Majesty, is that why you almost choked me to death? You think I am responsible for the missing queen?
My queen! My queen! Where could she have gone to? Did anyone enter this palace last night? My queen! My queen! My queen! Oh, I am here. Thank God. My queen! Your Majesty, she's here! Your Majesty! My king, she's here! My queen!
Where's she?
She's here, she's here.
Leave now! Leave us!
Yes.
My love, what are you doing here? Huh? This is me. This is your husband and not the king. This is me. This is Chiedozie, the husband of your youth, the one you married. My love, please, come out of that place. Let me help you. Please, my love. No, please. Come. Let me help you. You're my wife.
I can't. I'm mad. I'm a bipolar patient. I'm a mental patient. Everyone knows that I am mad. The mad queen. Everyone rumors about me, and now I can't find my children. They're all dead. I'm left with nothing. I just want to be here.
No.
You can't be with me.
No.
I am mad.
You are not mad. You're not. I do not care about the children.
Mad.
Please.
Are you mad? Are you
Let
mad?
me help
Are
you.
Mad?
Let me help you. Enough of this! Enough! Let me help you. Allow me to help you. I am your husband and not the king you used to know. Right? This is Jim Edozie. Your boyfriend turns to be your husband. Please allow me to help you. Come, my lady. Come. Come to your husband. Yes. Come. I love you. Right? I am the only one to help you in all of this. It is a phase, and we must go through this together. Did you hear me? Come. I am the only one to help you. I would help you.
Florence, what is wrong with you? Eh? What kind of a child are you? You're not ashamed of yourself? Fighting like a mad dog in the street? Eh? Even on a milk.
Mama, that man, they owe me. He owe me money and he don't want to pay me. I'm not even beat myself for just small over everywhere scatter.
But you're not so. You are not ashamed of yourself. What kind of a child are you? Huh? Fighting with a man on the streets. Not only fighting with him, you robbed him.
Hey, Mama, robbed him. You did not steal from him, oh. Ha! Mama, I don't know why you like listening to all these people. All these people, they slander us. No, now.
Shama, because Mechego no say so. Keep your mouth shut. Bad friend. Best of the same feather. Shama, you are a bad influence. You are a bad influence on my daughter. You are the one spoiling her. Why can't you tell your friend the truth? Eh? You cannot advise her, always encouraging her to do the wrong thing. What kind of a friend are you?
Mama, listen to what she dey talk. I no rob the man. I no rob him.
Listen to that nonsense that she wants to voice out. Eh? Biko, Chioma, I am begging you. From today onwards, stay on your own. Give this girl a chance. You are a bad influence. Bad friend, that is what you are. Biko, what?
Ma, I'm not spoiling her. I'm not the one spoiling her. I'm just defending her.
What is wrong with you? Eh?
I feel so bad for the queen. She scared the living daylight out of me.
I know, right? She's doing extra like everything to scare the king from marrying another wife.
But she's the queen. She should be more concerned about the kingdom, not her own interests.
Exactly. With the way she's doing, she's handing the kingdom's affair to her brother-in-law on a silver platter.
And he got his eyes on the throne. The queen should better put herself together. If not, he will get the elders on his side in no time.
And let me tell you something. Nobody wants to be ruled by a selfish, emotionally and unstable person. The queen should snap out of it.
You people should at least have sympathy. She is sick.
Wait. And the kingdom's affair should be affected?
Ask her.
Eh? Like the whole kingdom.
What's going on here?
Nothing. We are just concerned about the queen's health.
Save it. I already know what you were discussing. Look, let me tell you. You had better be careful what you discuss with people. Otherwise, it will be considered as witchcraft. How can you not be bothered about someone that feeds you?
But you just heard her. She said we are concerned about our health.
Concerned?
Yes.
You call this concern? You're drawing pity and blaming someone who is equally a victim. Wait, let me ask you. How is it your business if the king's brother takes over the throne or not? You know what? Just get back to your duty post and get busy. Leave. You never cease to amaze me.
Florencio, she not dey tired at all. She is fearless. Florencio, that's where woman chanta. Florencio.
Good day, man.
You're welcome.
Sure. We are looking for Florence. Chef.
Florence, what business do you have with my daughter?
Ma, Florence is well known for her service.
I don't know what you're talking about. Please, what are you saying?
We are looking for her Mponane. Is there any business she does except Mponane business?
Oh. You are welcome. Please, sit down. Make yourself comfortable, Biko. You are welcome.
Now.
Yeah. Oh, you are here from Konane? None. Oh, that is beautiful. Nna, you?
Ma.
Do you have a sister?
Yes, ma.
What kind of business does she do?
Oh, ma. She's a stylist, ma. Yes, ma.
Oga, what about you? I believe you have a daughter. What does she do for a living?
She's still studying.
Oh, yeah. She's still in school, studying. And I believe maybe when she graduates, she will become either a doctor or a lawyer. Okay?
Actually, she must be a doctor.
Actually. Oh, your own child is in school studying to become a doctor. And my own is here. You are encouraging her to do business of Mbonani. Let me ask you, is Mbonani business good for a girl?
Madam, if I don't know what can happen, can happen, or come on,
see them now. Get out of my house.
Ma. No, we have not offended you, ma.
Offend me? I'm not offended, though. At all. No, I'm not offended. But all I'm saying is that you, both of you, should leave my house now. Your own sister is a hairstylist, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Your own is studying in school to become a doctor. You are not encouraging my own to be an Mbonana girl. Because when I am naked before I see my male.
Madam, my body is yes, if I don't want one can happen. One call go back. Oh?
Get out of my house! See them now, sister. I don't blame you.
Oh, don't know.
You are here from Konana business. Get out! Get out! Okay, come now. What I got me ignition or what? Florence said, imagine this fool, this idiot. Coming here to come and contract my honorable daughter from Konani. Yeah, Deba. So bad here. Your own daughter is good to see a doctor.
What are you talking about? The king is still a young man.
Young, you say? Akom, we are not talking about age here. The king has no heir. And it's getting worse now that the wife is losing her mind. I don't think my brother is capable of ruling anymore.
What do you mean?
I have tried to talk to him. I have tried to see reasons with him. But he's bent on taking care of his wife. Do you know how he ended the meeting the other time? Because the wife locked herself in the room and refused to come out. Can you imagine that?
That is unacceptable.
Exactly. That's what I am talking about. If the king is not capable of ruling anymore, let him step down. And as the next in line in the royal home, I am the obvious choice to replace him.
You have a point. If the king is not capable of ruling, let him step down.
Bam! I am glad you are beginning to see reasons with me. Together, Chief Akom, we should rule this kingdom.
You're correct. But we have to be very careful. The king's supporters may not give up very easily.
Don't worry. I have a plan. With your support, we can make it happen. I know some elders, most of them are beginning to see reasons as well.
You are very right. You're correct.
Mama, what do you do? What do you do?
Where is your bag? Your food is in the kitchen now.
Why you pursue my customers now? Customers bring contract, come give me. Bring business, you insult them, come pursue them. You want to spoil business for me?
Business? You call that rubbish business? Florence, is that what you want to do with your life? Yeah?
That's the way they call rubbish, mama. Now they put food for our table. That's the way they call rubbish. Now papa legacy. Now the thing when you do before you die. You where they talk, which legacy you get? What the legacy where you get where I say, okay, make I be like my mama? You get anyone? Anything gum you? The food where you chop, not be money while they work. Now you take cook the food. Eh? You won't make I end up like you, Abi?
Your papa legacy. God forbid. Oh, you think your father is proud of you wherever he is? He is happy seeing you doing all this nonsense you're doing. Yeah? Now get money afternoon and night. Then I want money. Here are they make. Yeah? Your father will want you to go to school, work in the office like other girls. Florence, I will not sit by and watch you throw away your life.
I won't just sit by and watch you throw away your life. Person hear you they talk and they go think say you they support me. You don't ever support me. You can never understand me.
It's because you don't want to do something meaningful with your life. Yes, I want a better life for you. I want you to be like other girls, Florence. Think about yourself. Look at you. You think any man, in his right senses, would like to marry a girl like you? Yeah? Oh, you think you're going to stay with me in my own husband's house forever? Or that's quite possible.
Mama, no, they compare me to other girls, so I can never be them, they can never be me. I don't feel better, they don't feel be me. No, they do, I don't like them. Oh. You're my own food.
Ewu, your own food. Oh, that's your village champion did not give you food. You're wasting your time. You see that boy? That your village boyfriend. He has nothing to offer you. He's your number 6.
Mama, they vex for you. And they vex so. If not be say I jam them for road now for lose 30,000 naira. What did they stop now? Why they put us out for my gari? I don't like Amo. I don't like Amo.
You hear it, Mitch? Legacy.
Grace, my brother, I am so sorry for the way I spoke to you the last time. And I shouldn't have taken my frustrations on you.
It's okay, my king. It's okay. That's now, you want not deal, you know. I was just looking out for you.
As you can see, I'm fine.
I can see. Chidozie, people are beginning to talk. I mean, the whole village are talking. They are saying that your wife is mentally unstable. And you know what that kind of rumor can do to the throne?
You see, sometimes I wonder if you are truly my blood brother. If not, why would you be so eager to listen to rumors and help them spread lies? You don't live in this palace. Those villagers does not live in this palace either. How then do they know that my wife, the queen of this land, is mentally unstable?
My king, we both know that some part of that is true. I mean, the queen cannot even give you an heir. She cannot give you an heir, yet she ties you down with her constant dramas and stopping you from getting married to someone else, somebody that can give you an heir. And if you ask me, it's only a mentally unstable person that can get lost in her own house.
Grace, I will not stand here and watch you disrespect my wife like that.
Disrespect, you say? Chidozie, that woman has disrespected you since the day she stepped her feet into this house. All I'm trying to do is what is good for the kingdom and for you. Or do you want your lineage to end because of that mad woman?
Grace, you are crossing boundaries. Don't do that. You are lucky. If you're not my brother, my blood brother, I will have chopped off your head and give it to the beast in the forest to feast on. Don't push me.
My own head, Igwe. My own head, Chidozie. Before you became king, I've been your brother. Before that woman get into this home, I've been your brother. All I'm trying to do is the best for you. If she cannot give you an heir, get married to someone else. Somebody that can give you an heir. Somebody that can litter the home with children. I am sure that I speak the mind of our ancestors. And if you are not ready to accept that, then you are not fit to sit on that throne. Chedozie, you must listen to what I'm saying. You know what I'm saying is the truth. And I'm only trying to do what is best for the family, Chedozie.
The sorrow is too much. The pains are too much. Onokadodi kombaramnisi. Onokadodi kombaramnejije.
My queen. What was the meeting all about?
My queen. Prince Chris is at it again. He's still saying the same thing as always. My queen, please, don't give up on yourself. It's not too late.
I want to be left alone.
Ma?
Save it. I don't need to be comforted or pitied. I understand my plight. I understand that soon I'll be stripped of my position for being unable to give the king a son. I understand that soon my husband will belong to another. I can't even get pregnant. And even if I do, I keep having girls. Girls.
I'm so sorry about that.
And somehow, the gods mysteriously takes them.
Sorry, my queen.
Somehow.
My queen, the princess. I'm sorry, my queen.
Why can't I have a son? Why? What have I done to deserve this? Why can't I have a boy? A boy of my own? Why have you chosen to treat me with so much disgust? Why have you chosen to inflict me with so much pain? Excruciating pain. Why? What have I done? Oh, the gods, you have to answer me. If you are not crazy, why can't I have a son? I'm fine. I am fine. I am fine. Uloma, you are okay. You're fine. You're fine.
Madness. Oh, madness. I mean it's madness. Oh, my mind is off my body. Off my body. I am in pain. I am in sorrow. I am in pain. Oh, I am in pain. I am in sorrow.
Your Highness.
Oh, my queen, you're here.
You look worried. Could it be what your brother said?
Not at all. I'm just worried he might do something stupid.
But you are. Never mind.
What is it, my queen?
It's nothing. I mean, you're supposed to be sitting with the elders in council today.
Yes. You are correct, my queen. But I shifted the meeting to tomorrow.
Why? I mean, you're not doing anything serious today. Could it be because of me?
Oh no, my good friend. I came bearing gifts. Chris.
You shouldn't have gone this far.
No, it is the right thing to do, I know. I mean, who goes to someone's house empty-handed? It's not our tradition. Not to talk of an Ono like you. The second in command in this great kingdom.
Chris. This one you came visiting.
Well, I know that you are someone that holds the matters of this great kingdom at heart. But no, I am worried about the future.
Go on. What do you mean?
Oh no. The king is not taking his duties seriously. He is bent on taking care of his wife rather than the matters and affairs of this great kingdom. Oh no. The king is not following the customs and traditions of this great kingdom. He has refused to marry a second wife, someone that can give us an heir to the throne.
Chris.
Oh no.
You have not made any mistakes in worrying about the affairs of the kingdom. After all, some of the things you have said are quite true. But
what? Oh no.
As long as the king is still very much alive, the issue of an heir is not supposed to cause a panic at all.
Oh no, thank you very much. You really know how to calm my nerves.
Come on.
Thank you very much. I should take my leave now.
Chris.
Oh no.
You have a wonderful time.
You too, oh no.
If onye mechara oburu, neno if onye kutere oburu.
I am very sure that it's not just about the affairs of the kingdom. You definitely have your own motives. King Robert, I just hope that you will not present the throne to him. I also wish that the gods will bring peace to the king so that he can concentrate and discharge the affairs of this kingdom diligently. Chris. Your Majesty, we must discuss the recent developments of the kingdom. Your Majesty, the people of Ako village are pursuing members of the public from their farmlands in the east side. Your Majesty also got a shocking report that they are laying claims to the river, not allowing our people to fish, Your Majesty. Your Majesty.
Oh, yes. Yes, of course. My elders, please, we can talk about this some other time, okay? I have other pressing matters.
Oh, Your Majesty, we are not able to reach a conclusion on this matter the last time. And we have proof that the land in question belongs to the people of Amanza.
Your Majesty, this is becoming unbearable. Should we take them to the court or visit the king?
My elders, please, can we talk about this next time, please? Next time, my elders. Next time.
Your Majesty! Your Majesty! This is unacceptable. This is unacceptable! The king is no longer serious with his duties.
I fear for the affairs of this kingdom. If the king does not focus on his responsibility, we risk falling into chaos.
I wonder what is so important that he has abandoned the meeting, the affairs of the kingdom. And I'm sure it's about that witch that is busy killing all her children. I'm sure.
Let us calm down. The king is actually going through a lot right now. We can reschedule for another time. I believe it is also something important. Let us calm down. We can reschedule for another time. The king is going through some crisis at the moment. We have to cover up for him. After all, that is our duties.
Oh no, stop defending him. Stop defending him, Onowu. He is my brother and I know him very well. He has lost interest in the affairs of this kingdom. I know him very well. This is exactly how he behaves whenever he loses interest in something.
I am not defending your brother, Chris.
You are defending him, Onowu.
I said I am not defending him.
You are defending him! Onowu! You are defending him! It's okay. You are defending him.
Sit down. You people are behaving like kids.
I am very angry on how the meeting ended. The longer we wait, the more risk we take.
You are very correct.
Sooner or later, both villages will start to wage a war. And that is what we are trying to avoid. Because I don't understand what is consuming his attention. This cannot be just the queen's sickness. Maybe something is bothering him. Maybe the issue of having an heir. Or maybe some other thing is consuming him internally.
But see, Mazi, I don't quite appreciate this current behavior of the king. If this continues like this, I'm afraid we might not have another option than to replace him with another king. No matter what his reason might be, he should not disregard the council of the elders.
I've had enough of the king's antics. He's not taking his duty seriously, and that is an insult to the entire council. His lack of focus is becoming alarming.
Please, let us not be too hasty in our judgment. There may be something that we are not aware of.
I doubt it. His actions is inexcusable. Something has to be done about it.
Chris! Chris!
Chris! You are too hasty. You should be more concerned about your brother. Didn't you notice how pale he looks? But instead, you are more concerned about the kingdom and how to expel him from the throne. Anyways, I am going. I have more better things to take care of.
Oh no way, I'm sorry for disrupting the meeting yesterday abruptly. You know, I know the effort the time that my elders put in to make this gathering a successful one.
Your Majesty, you see, it is not just about the meeting. It's about your duty as king. Your Majesty, your lack of focus is beginning to affect the affairs and decision-making of the kingdom.
I am very, very happy and grateful for your concern.
Your Majesty, the council is beginning to lose the patience, and they are complaining, asking questions about your ability to lead. I actually don't agree with them, but I need to bring the situation to you so that you can brace up yourself. Your Majesty, as a matter of fact, your brother is going around campaigning indirectly for the kingship.
Oh no.
Your Majesty.
Thank you for being honest with me. Of course, you're right. I shouldn't allow my personal affairs to interfere with my roles and duties, my responsibilities as the king to this kingdom. I apologize once again. But you know, a man that his house is on fire does not go into hunting rabbits. I'm only trying to fix things.
Your Majesty, just before I leave, I figured out that you've not had the time to go through the documents I brought before you.
Oh.
Yes, regarding the Amanze-Aku conflict or dispute. I intended to go there with few elders to see their king and their elders. And I think that will be able to stop the dispute. But in case it persists, we can then approach the court for the safety of our people, my king.
The court?
Yes.
Well, it's a good approach. But remember that we cannot invite the government. If we do that, they are going to take a hold of that land as a means of peacekeeping. We need to devise another means to approach this matter.
Then we have to go into negotiation with them in order to settle this dispute. I think...
that reminds me. Your son is a lawyer, right?
Yes, my son Chidera is a lawyer, though he's currently not in the kingdom.
Oh good, then we're going to need a legal representative to go with you. And also make it legal to them. Make them understand that we are not afraid of losing that land to the government in case they don't want to settle with us amicably. But if the negotiation goes on well, then of course we don't mind to have or share some parts of the land with them. And also mark it clearly to avoid future conflicts.
Igwe! Nobody can replace you. We will support you to the best of our abilities.
Thank you, No.
Long live my king.
May the gods of the land be with you.
He say...
This sorrow is too much. The pains are too much. Anakadadi kambaram nisi. Anakadadi kambaram nechiche. Andi kamsere bonza. Andi kamsere fe. A minute madness. 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 My mind is off my body, off my body. I am in pain, I am in sorrow, I am in pain. I am in pain, I am in sorrow. The trouble is too much on me. Somebody who will carry go more. Ebe kam gebido, ebe kam gebido. Somebody who will carry go more. Ebe kam gebido, ebe kam gebido. Somebody who will carry go more. Ebe kam gebido, ebe kam gebido.
Your Majesty, the princess is not feeling too well. She needs you. Your Majesty, the princess, she's so sick. She needs your attention. Your Majesty, her symptom is severe. Your Majesty, her symptoms are severe. She finds it so difficult to breathe. And she keeps vomiting.
Can't you see? Can't you see? Can't you see that I am trying? I am trying to do better. I am trying to get my senses. I am trying to focus and do the right thing. I am trying so hard.
My queen, she's sick. She needs you. Yes.
My daughter is sick.
Yes. So badly.
My daughter. Where is she? Where is my daughter? Where is my daughter? Where is... Mama. Hey. Mommy is it? I'm sorry. Mama, I'm sorry. How is she? How is my daughter?
She's stable, but she's critically ill. Why didn't you call me earlier?
I don't know.
I'm afraid at this her young age, there's nothing we can do about it.
No. Are you trying to tell me that my daughter is going to die? She can't die. She can't die.
Your Majesty, don't worry. We'll try our possible best to save the princess.
Your Majesty! Your Majesty, please come. I don't know what is wrong with her. She's breathing somehow. I don't know. Please come.
Si na n'ụlọ ọ dị atụ nkịta egwu ọ bụ oke nọ n'ụlọ kwuru na azụ dị na ngịga kedu ife a ga-eme ụwa mmetụ ụwa mma agwanụ m nwale nwanne mụ na ya na-achụ nta si n'ụkwụ m dị ka ụkwụ anụ Ga-anọzi n'iru onye wee na-egbu ijiji ọkasị mma If onye metere oburu nenuwa, if onye kotere oburu nenuwa. Amenna na meromiya, amenjana meromiya. Meri meruga, aruka saraya. Kuko musuwa, achake romiya.
The other one, uncle. Yes. So this one's now. That our net is go. Okay. It's just the loss. Is it not the loss doing? Okay, business. The way business is going now, yeah, I'm shocked. In space of few minutes, look at what God has done.
I'm surprised. I'm so surprised. I say that in few weeks now, everywhere will be.
That's God's will. Unless I forget, and you know we were supposed to go and see Chief on that building. That is duplex.
I never forget.
Said we should come this evening.
Let's go. Be small. Come and take this step. Let's go now. Yeah? Stay. Catch him at the
Florencia, she no dey tire at all. She is fearless. Florencia, oh dear to a woman, Florencia, ona wapona nobody. Florencia, Florencia, take it easy. Florencia.
I said this lighter don't fall for somewhere. Where I go see lighter now? And this event go soon reach. Who they puff? Be like say somebody they smoke somewhere. I go see whether I go beg the person lighter.
Chai, this life is so cruel. I wish we were able to do something on time.
We were all focusing on our duties. I wish we could turn back hands of time. At least, someone could have stayed with the little princess. Someone could have paid attention. That could have been better.
It is the queen that I pity the most. Poor woman, losing her children one after another. I just pray she doesn't hurt herself. I pray and I hope she doesn't hurt herself.
But how did she even pass through this gate? Without any of us seeing her. Nobody in this palace. I pray the guard finds her on time, because she might end up doing something drastic.
My dear, I pray nothing happens to her.
I pray so.
Hello. Wait.
No. Don't even try to stop me. Don't try to talk me out of this. I have made up my mind and I'm going to commit suicide. I'm going to kill myself.
Madam.
No. If you come closer,
Now this place where you dey dangerous. You don't keep plenty people one, no, I beg.
I don't deserve.
See, when there is life, there is hope. Like any problem when you know say you dey face, you go get solution. Yeah.
I don't deserve to leave.
What's happened?
I don't deserve it one bit. I lost my child. Out of my selfishness, my selfish behavior, my nonchalant behavior, I lost my only child. I lost her. Now I can't even give birth to another. The doctor said I can't have another child. So what is the essence of living in this world?
My sister, now doctor talk, no be God.
I just want to die.
No worry. See, the God when I know go give you another pikin. Yeah, forget what the doctor come up for this place. Yeah, they dangerous. I beg. No cry again, yeah? Yeah, I beg.
I want to die.
No, come on.
You just have to allow me to die.
No, my sister, no. Come up for this place. Come. Mogo come out here first. I go tell you something. Yeah, come out. Yeah? No, now.
You sure you don't want me to die?
No, you're too fine to die, yo.
You sure you don't want me to just kill myself?
No, my sister.
Because I don't deserve.
Come on. So, yeah, when there is life, there is hope. Yeah? You won't sit down. Okay, you won't get yourself small. Oh, come out here. Sorry. When there is life, there is hope. I just dey knock my open and I can't hear pa. Something they smell past my nose. I say make I come check what it is up. Thank God say I come before die yo. Thank God say use me help you.
Thank you. Thank you so much. I mean, talking to you alone just lifted my spirit. It just made me feel hopeful.
I just thank God say God use me to help you. To save you from this situation.
Speaking about help, can you really help me?
I just help you now. Which other help you they find?
Like, I need something more tangible. You know, I'm a queen of this kingdom. And because I'm unable to give my husband a child or a son, and then I lost the one I had, I just don't feel the need to exist again. But now that you're here, I want you to help revive my hope. I want you to be a surrogate.
Surrogate?
I want you to be our surrogate.
I know,
please.
I beg, wait first. The surrogate. You go fit explain the thing when you talk. I don't know what you mean.
Okay. So I want you to give my husband and I a child. If you can give us, we are going to pay you handsomely. Just give us a child. Just make me a mother again. Give me reason to be happy again. Just do this for the benefit of the royal household, and we will forever be indebted to you.
Wait. Oh wow, you did joke. This is very wrong. Oh, hey, make I born for you.
Yes.
You've been there hopeless before, Abi.
Exactly, and I feel the gods of Allah just brought you to me, and seeing you, I felt this connection, and I just know you can do it.
My sister, the gods no go fit send me. No verse say I can't save you. You go back to being hopeless. No. See, I go help you.
Okay.
You go use speed, go that place. You go target him. You go use force, die enter that place, go die. No. You go die, make I go do my okmonana. I don't know why I know they always mind my business. Just jump, make you go die.
No, I don't want to die anymore.
No.
I need you to help me.
I'm not going to help you.
I can't dive into here. I'm going to die.
You go die. You must die. Me, what day like this, I don't get hope for myself. I dey hustle, I never feel save myself, make I come save you.
That's what I'm telling you. We are going to pay
Madam,
you.
Madam, no vex. No, I don't want your money. Just quietly jump. Jump, make you die. Make I go to my corner now.
I'm sure you don't want a kingdom without a queen. Please, I don't want to die. You just need to come true.
What did they use queen do? Now king matter now. Say make I advise you. As you they jump this jump, so if anybody try to stop you, not the person. Give an uppercut.
My dear, I'm sure you don't want your queen to die, because
Madam, you repeat yourself. Die or die, please. See what be this? Eh? That's what they do for here. You look me where me I come born for you.
I will jump.
I'm not trying more.
I will jump.
Madam, die. I don't waste time. Die you. I won't go bury the dead body.
Excuse me. Excuse me. Hold on, please.
Your Majesty. Oh no. Your Majesty. I came as soon as I heard. I'm sorry for your loss. Please accept my condolences. How about the Queen? Is her whereabouts known yet? Have the guards gone to look for her?
She will be fine. I think she might have gone to her mother's house to get herself through all of this and to cool her head.
Thank you, Ono. And thank you, my brother Chris, for your concerns. I really do appreciate. No man should bury their child.
See.
Alileligum. Alileligum. What's that noise?
My king. That should be the Queen.
The Queen?
Yes.
What is wrong with you? How dare you pick me before me?
No
Don't have respect. Who could that be?
Maybe na me they can't see now. Or maybe they get shifted title or barrier today. Your Majesty.
Florence.
How far now?
Good to see you.
What you going for here?
Your Majesty, you're welcome.
Thank you.
What will all this visit?
Florence, I believe you know why I'm here.
That's what we talk about that time.
Exactly.
Now carry you come.
Yes.
I tell you I no good one. I say it no go happen.
Sure.
Florence, please. You have to reconsider, please.
What is going on?
Now one day like that, why they set my opponent? I can't hear pa. I say, waiting they sup. Where that noise they come from? Something they smell past my nose. Now I say, make I go look waiting they sup. I reach there, I can't see this woman. She can't tell me say, make I born for her husband. I don't understand. Say she married king, make I born. Say she no fit born. So now you fit to be queen. More to they born. Eh?
I don't understand.
Mama, please help me talk to her, please. I beg you. Listen, you are going to be.
Come on for here. You're mad. Don't touch me again, oh. I say I no go to am. Shoo. Mama said tear rubber like me, oh. Clean chassis. Nylon. They never open now. Nothing don't enter here. I never muke since they bought me. Even my boyfriend say I no agree make him muke me. Belle way fresh. We never carry anything. She want my is I go born for her husband. You go be the queen. You go the queenie. I go the born for one corner. How now? You not go feel stop now. You not go feel happen. Sure.
Florence, please. Seeing you alone gave me so much hope. It gave me something to live for, please.
If they use me, they get hope. Mother, die your hope. Oh. Nothing go stop. I no go try am. If I do, I want to die. Ma go born for. So your husband now go see fresh veggie. Veggie as veggie what I be. I go open leg for that. He go call spread enter. I go be second hand.
Florence,
Mama, no they talk that kind of today with the sick queen. Mama, on a normal, you supposed to raise your shoulder up if they go church. It's not easy to see virgin these days. Plenty guests na second hand nasty poor. Everywhere pumpy. Nothing don't enter. Make this guy come out here go. Where you? Carry your mother. Come over this man not enter for this by the verse so and the quick verse. What be this? The wine.
My queen, please let's go. Yeah. You sure you want me to go?
Florence, I know they're for trouble. Queen.
Hey, this kind of life, eh? You see all these royal people, eh? They just believe say they see poor people, they use them anyhow. They will not get say, I get say, oh. Where you? Warn yourself. She don't make me lose. I better now. They ain't no patter. They ain't no say. They ain't dust. For waiting now.
It's okay, please.
But what they keep since? Veggie, fresh veggie, tear rubber. It's easy to see tear rubber. Everywhere tight. Everywhere pumpy. Everywhere poor.
Friend, what's going on now? Eh? You are looking lost in thoughts.
Nothing.
You don't forget I know you too well. Which one be nothing? Nothing, no fit bother you like that now. What is it?
Now the queen. She visits my house today.
The queen? What does she want?
She said make I surrogate for him. Say make I help her born pikin. Say since she married the king, she no fit born.
That one no be big deal now. If you just do and collect money.
Money no be everything. No, na big deal to me. I don't know. The thing they had me, I don't know what I go fit do am.
No, it's not like you're hurting anybody. You fit do am. Besides, think of the good things you can do with the money they will pay you. Eh?
You know, say I like money, but money no be everything. What about my career and my future? What thing go happen to them? Even that palace self. I don't know whether I go like the way that they operate for there. I don't know whether I go like the kind of things that they do for there. Honestly, I just dey confused. I don't know what I want to do.
Sometimes it's good make you make tough decisions. Eh? It might be an opportunity that you need to change your life. Just think calm. Think calm.
I don't know.
My dear, I have found a solution to our problem.
And what is the problem?
Our inability to have a son, of course. I have found someone who is willing to be our surrogate.
Are you serious?
Yes.
No, I will not participate in your desperate scheme. See, it's high time you put your act together and stop being desperate about this whole thing. Stop it. I need a son, yes. I need a child. I need an heir to the throne of this kingdom, but not to the detriment of my integrity and mental health. No, I will not be part of this desperation, so please, quit.
My king, think about the future of this kingdom, the legacy you will leave behind. Think about me. For my sake, for the sake of this kingdom.
Oh, stop this. I am thinking about my dignity. I am thinking about the ridiculousness of your plans.
No. This isn't ridiculous. This is our only hope. This is future. Grab it.
And I said, no. And I mean every word I just told you. I will not be seen in this desperation. I will not be swayed by your ideas. No, I will not do that. Quit!
This is me giving you a chance.
Quit!
For a better future. We need a son.
Your Majesty, hi. Hi. You're welcome, please. I don't have any reasonable thing to offer you.
Oh, please. You don't need to bother yourself. I mean, soon we will become one family.
By the special grace of God. That will be nice.
You know, the last time I came here, I really needed to speak with you, but I didn't get the opportunity to.
You are right, Your Majesty. We couldn't talk. Yes, you're right.
Well, I want to apologize for the way I barged into your house with my proposal. It was more like an invasion. I am really sorry about that.
No problem, Biko.
I was desperately in need of help. I was depressed. I lost my only child. Yes. So, with that being said, I totally understand Florence's reservation.
Your Majesty, I know how you feel, but you know, this is not my decision to take. You understand? It's a very difficult one, oh. I swear. Very, very difficult for a mother to let go of her child for another woman. It's difficult. I swear. Very difficult.
I understand. I totally understand. But I need you to talk to Florence.
I will.
If she agrees, she'll be part of my royal household. Yes. I think I don't want her to be a surrogate. I want her to get married to my husband.
Hi.
I want her to be my co-wife. My wife.
Your Majesty.
I like her so much. So please, do well to talk to her. For me. For the royal household.
Your Majesty, I will. I promise. I will do my best. Please. Once she comes back, I will try my best. I will talk to her. Oh? Good. Hey.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
How is she?
She's fine now that I don't have anything to offer you.
Please.
Your Majesty, I am worried about your health and your well-being, especially. Now that you no longer have a daughter, isn't it high time that you consider my offer and let us find you a second wife? Someone that can give you an heir and children to take over your legacy.
Thank you for your concern, my dear brother. But as you can see, I am not about to die. I am strong and healthy.
That is not what the kingdom needs right now. The kingdom needs an heir. Someone to groom. Someone to get ready to take over from you. And as it stands right now, you don't have any. My king, it's not like you hold life in your hands. That you choose when to live and when to die. My king, except that I am going to take over from you when you are no more.
And who said I'm going to be the first to die? You might die before me because you do not have time in your hands. It is not like I am wishing you death, but I can see that you do not know how to differentiate between pressing and unimportant issues. The kingdom is doing so well, even though I know you have nothing to contribute to the growth of this land. So be rest assured that you have nothing to worry yourself about.
Are you not ashamed? Are you not ashamed that your loins had failed you? The king high and mighty with no one, no heir, to take over when he's no more.
And I'm still here! I am still the king of this land! Be rest assured that you will not smell nor sit on that throne.
We will see about that. We will see about that.
Mama, you still there awake? I just say you don't sleep, oh. You get anything you want me to do for you?
Yes, so.
What's with that?
My daughter. I want the best for you.
Mama, I know so you want the best for me. But what did that queen the request for? He passed me. I no go fit do am. I no go fit still person your husband. Come still carry my pikin and dash them. You get as it be, Mama.
I don't want it either. Do you think I will just sit down and watch you go through that? No. It's not possible.
Mama, I think say you dey support me. I no say na for offense you dey.
My daughter, let me tell you something you don't know. I had a conversation with the queen. Yes, she told me that she would want to marry you into the royal home.
Mama. But I want to ask you one question. You think say because of this upon and what they do, say man no go marry me? No, I won't understand. If let's say you think say because I dey do this work, no man go ever marry me for this life. Make I tell you, Chima promised me say he go come back, come marry me.
Ne, seba hopotaba. Papa for side in Chima. Seba hopotaba. Florence, you think I will just sit in this family, in this my house, and watch you waste away just like that? Waiting for one foolish village boy that made promise, empty promise to you before leaving for the city? What if he comes back and changes his mind? What will you do? That your so-called Chema is over there in the city, living his life. Why can't you do the same? My daughter, grab this opportunity. They said opportunity comes but once. Please, grab it, Biko. I beg you. Well, if you like, you take it. If you don't like, you're on your own. We can think about it. Let me go to sleep.
See, I don't think don't sit down, calculate I don't see nothing in this village. I won't come out. I won't go city. I go see whether I go hustle better money. I see, but I promise you, as soon as I enter city, collect bread, and they don't come back villa straight, come repackage you. Make sure our relationship enter permanent site. They feel am.
Hey Chima. Chima, you know say I dey always believe in you. You be hustler. I mean, I know say true, if you go city, you go make am. It's just that they feel say they won't take something from me. Chima safe. Since you travel, you never call me. No, they bother to check on me. No call, no nothing. Eh? Hey.
Positive? You're pregnant! Wow! You are pregnant! Oh my! I'm about to be a father! Ah, this is good. Come here, come here.
Oh my goodness. This is amazing.
You have done well. You have done well.
Congratulations to the both of you.
Oh, congratulations to us. Yes. Thank you so much, Florence. Thank you for giving me the opportunity to be called a mother again. Florence, I am happy. I am excited. Thank you.